must I be missing you like this? Why must I be filled with loneliness when I know there's nothing I can do to bring you back to my embrace? Tell me why must I long for you when you dare to break my heart in two? There's no sense for me think of you, but my love